Hello everyone, my name is Justin Henderson and today I'll be going over the website Feedly and 3 features I think are helpful for social or digital professionals. So to start, here is the homepage of Feedly. Feedly is a website that allows you to create news and feeds catered to your specific tastes and interests. I believe this can be an extremely helpful tool as you can organize and gather feeds of news and information on something specific that fits your needs and will help you be up to date and informed on anything you want to know. So, the first feature I want to talk about is the Explore feature. If you're not too sure exactly what feed you are trying to create or you want just to add more to your feed, then look no further. By clicking Explore, you'll be given numerous articles organized by topic that you can add to your feed, and you'll also be able the chance to follow the authors of it. So, to show here from the home page, you want to hit Explore right next to me. And once that loads, you will be given a bunch of different articles from a bunch of different categories, such as the top for me is tech, and then as we go down, marketing, and there will be so much more as you keep scrolling, such as design, and many, many more articles. Now we'll head back to the home page here to talk about our second feature. So the second feature on Feedly I believe is very helpful is the read later. As people, we sometimes don't have enough time to read everything we see, which could result in us missing out on valuable information. By clicking Save for Later, that article will be stored in the Save for Later section where any article you wanted to read later is there waiting for you. So to get there, we'll start out by going to Explore. And once that loads, I'll just click the first article here. So as you can see, it's up. And from before, this was already saved previously to read later, but to find it, it'll be in the top left. So I'll just unclick it to demonstrate here. One click, hit read later, then we will exit out. And instead of going home, you can hit right to the read later section here, and it'll be right here at the top. And if you have any more articles that you add, it'll also be right here as well. So, go back to home for our final feature to talk about is the create a folder feature. There will be times when you're trying to look for information and you simply can't find it all due to the other content you have saved. However, with folders, this changes. By using folders, you can give it a specific designation of a topic or subject in order to have more organization amongst your information. So, to do this, all you have to do is be at the home screen, head over to create a folder. In this case, I will hit sports, hit save. So now we have a sports folder, and we just want to go to add content. And then I will search the topic of sports. And right here, I'll just hit ESPN, and we'll just follow them. And we can follow them right into our sports folder. And then, as you can see over here, for sports, we're only going to have the ESPN, and that's at our top. And we will get all these articles specifically from ESPN in this folder. And if we're looking for everything, we'll get it in all personal feeds, but if we're just looking for specifically sports, we'll get it here. So, in conclusion, that was the final feature. So overall, I believe all 3 of these features are extremely helpful for anyone really using them, especially for someone who wants to read more about sports, tech, marketing. You can find pretty much everything on here. So I definitely encourage any person who's tech savvy to get on Feedly, create feeds, and start learning more. Thank you for your time.